Reverence is so important. I cannot stress enough that you really, really need to prioritize teaching reverence to your 3 and 4 year olds and building in time to do reverence. I know sometimes class can get away from us. I mean, I know we kind of, with 3 and 4 year olds, sometimes we have this weird problem. Like, it can feel like we have way too much time and we just do not know what to do with them. And then other times it's like suddenly the class is just over and you have no time and you feel like you did nothing with them. But and that's just the way that it is with 3 and 4 year olds. But whatever happens in the class, really try to prioritize reverence. Unless some major catastrophe happens and you just have to not do it, which I can't think that there's ever been a time where I haven't done it in all of my years teaching the little ones. I think I have always, I'm sure there was maybe one time when I didn't, but at any rate, you get what I'm saying. Like, it's just so important to do. First of all, it helps them remember that this wasn't playtime. This was ballet time. That this is important. That it is a privilege that they are there taking ballet class. That it is to be respected. And it helps them feel grown up. And it sets a standard for them to reach. And these are all great things. These are all great things. So there are, so many right ways to do reverence, and you can land on whichever one you want to do and do, more than one. I will say that I like to do reverence one particular way for quite a while, like maybe the first quarter of the year. And then, once they know the routine of that, I might switch it to a different reverence. At the beginning of the year, well, I won't go into that. I'll do a whole video about the different reverences I do. But, just do reverence with them. You want to make sure that it includes the curtsy or a bow. You want to be sure it includes them saying thank you to you. So like my students say, thank you, Miss Robin. And then you want to be sure it includes them clapping, everyone clapping to finish class out. Not clapping and screaming and cheering and jumping all about. No, 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 no. You do the reverence, you finish it like a ballet dancer, you say your thank you, you clap your hands. That is what we do. It's not a time to go crazy, and because that's what they're going to do, right? When you tell them to clap their hands, they're going to just start like, I see it in my head now, like I've seen this happen. They just start like flailing themselves into the air and then rolling around on the ground. And while that's all very hilarious and stuff, that's not obviously what we're going for. So teach them a clean reverence, expect them to do it well, so that you can really put a beautiful period at the end of your ballet class. It's not the end of class yet though, right? Because they haven't left the studio. It's not over until every one of those little kids has left the studio. So I will talk about the final thing in the next video.